welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is putting out there, making it very clear that she was not the one who introduced Janet to Ashanti. However, she's saying that they both met Janet the same day. Ashanti and her, Maxine, met Janet on the same day. And she's also speaking of the event when she had to drive a long way to bring Ashanti to meet up with Janet, and the hotels that were paid for, the cars, whatever was rented for Ashanti to live in a luxurious life. And so Maxine is speaking about that. So as you know, I have to catch the video, yeah, and listen to what she has to say and get the full story from Maxine herself. So go ahead and enjoy and have yourselves a great day.
Not the real estate, the realtor I gave them. Stop saying I gave Ashanti to Janet. I never give Ashanti to Janet. Me and Ashanti meet Janet the same time. You no stop calling me name. Me no give Ashanti to Janet. Me never give Ashanti to Janet. We meet Janet the same time. Ashanti get Janet from over Laurie and Page. Laurie and Page. Somebody else can tell you the story, but me not going to tell you it this morning. You get her from over there. Me and Ashanti meet Janet the same time up at Orlando at the hotel. So no stop already. Come off of my page. Bernice and the whole of Uno. What they on my YouTube channel and everything. Uno na company now, you know. Me would have loved to see Uno pan right now, but Uno na company now. But as soon as me hang up, Uno come. Oh, with friend like you. Are you give Ashanti to Janet? Are you give Janet to Ashanti? No, I never. The only thing I give them was the realtor. The realtor. You understand? That's all I give them. So no stop from calling me name now. Okay? Me never give him to him. He meet him over physical, verbally, social medially. What the word? What is the word, Barbisha? Cyberspace, Shally. That word. Laugh at me. What is the word? When you meet somebody in social media, what kind of word is that? What word should I put there? You bright people that's on here, what word should I use? You meet him on social media over my girl page, over Lorraine page. What you call the word? Alright, we come back to the word later on. If you don't remember the word. Metaverse. Oh yes! Can I say metaverse, Sally? Pan the metaverse. The meeting pan the metaverse. So what they say meeting? Me not have nothing to do with that. Yes, physically I drive him. Oh yes, I drive like a bitch. I must see 1.5 hours to which party when I stay at the hotel. Cause she was so good. She's still good. In stay at Canada, you know, I'm booking big hotel for stay, you know. Yeah man. Booking big hotel for stay. When we meet him the day, I say a black credit card that boy get. Yeah man. But he couldn't use it because she wasn't there in present. So she had to just go. There was so much vehicle rented that me have it, and me not tell you the story then. Me not tell you the story then. Make the story stay there. So, but metaverse, Sally, I never give it. They meet on the metaverse over Lorraine. I physically drove and bring him up there. Yes, I did that. I'm guilty of that if that's what I'm talking about. Yes, I bring him up there. Me and him meet him same time. We kick it off. Nice girl. Very, very nice girl. He's saying that she's ugly and she's fat and stuff like that. Yes, she got a little weight round the belly. Yeah, shaped like a me. I swear Janet shaped like a me. Janet shaped like a me. She's not as pretty as I am. She's not as beautiful as I am. Me not have no ear. Me a earless monkey. You know the cat what have no ear. I me that. Me not have no ear. When Ashanti's here, oh God, Ashanti is one wicked dude. He is one very wicked dude. Ashanti said, what a girl ugly, man. She ugly bad. And she not shape good. And her face full of facial hair. Me say, oh my God, don't worry about it. She have money. She can do whatever she wants to do. Because when me see certain things, when me see Blackyard and Louis Vuitton and all of them something there, and Gucci, me know the real one them, you know. So when me see all of them, there's something them, you know, so you have to have money. You have to have money to have all of them things there. Because the first Louis Vuitton bag that I bought, me no buy it for myself, you know, me Ross. Me no buy it for myself. When me see the kind of money they made at me, and me know me can't hear me, that's why me fat and stay, so me can't hear the money. Me say the first Louis Vuitton bag me buy was for what? I think it was $1,600. One nice little bag, you know, for my daughter. And all when me the time me not use no credit card or not, me use cash money. And me say all when time me give the people them the money in the Louis Vuitton store because them believe say we are all cruft and we just walk around and look. Nobody no want help we. Nobody no want help we, but because my daughter so bougie and she know what she want, she went right into the store. And when me kind of see the attitude what they might give, because from you start to look on black and white and then sitting there, me get very upset, you know. Me mad when you do the same thing there because me want to show you up. Nobody now look on we because we have black somebody in the store. Me say, and when time did one nice little black boy come around now and decide he's gonna help us. Do you guys know what you want? Yes, that. $1,600, yes, we know. How are you paying? Cash. $100 bills. Yes. The time $100 bills when kind of new like. Yes. Me say all when we pay them the money and then wrap the Louis Vuitton in the bag. They no give we it. They escort we to the door like security like. Yes, like have my precious merchandise. All when then take the money, my daughter get the email receipt. Me no want no email receipt, me want the real receipt. All when we reach at the door, people. And I am not lying, I'm not telling you a story. Me not tell you a story in down at Adventure Mall. Years ago when my daughter just come there because she was so young and everything. Me say when I reach at the door, the people them still hang on upon the package. Hang on upon the package and then got the money and everything already, you know. So when let them be nice to us. Now they're ready for half a champagne and all of them something there. Yes! So move no worry cloth and give me my bag. Me very aggressive. Me see black and white and all of them something there. Me aggressive bad and galang bad. Yes. So when I saw Janet, Pierre Louis, hat, shoes, do they have Louis watch? Me no want to tell no lie. The girl went expensive, look very expensive. If they walk in Florida, they strip him naked. Excuse, not the girl, the woman. Everything she have on from head to toe was name brand. Yes, from head to toe. So when me hear him pass the remarks, me say, Ashanti, you know, she said the girl full of money. Why would you even want to say that? Why would you want to say that? Don't say that, man. And I make him promise me that day. I said, Ashanti, if you ever hurt this woman, don't even call back my phone. But the drunk or a dog, a old dirty drunk, look all the way they do. Sit down in the woman house and they play like I say a film house. You can't sit down in the woman house. You know want me read out the file? I see some little more money they come in, man. You can't do super chat, you know. Let me see say if anything else come in. Want to know that area if it come in? You know hear the tree come in or just come in though. Let me see if anything else come in. People, me no greedy, you know. I am not a greedy person. Okay, I'll put $5 in there. $5, $10. You know, make no sense no put less than $5 because you know then go take out the $1 or 150 cents. You understand? So you can put $5, you can put $10. I don't care how much you put in there. Just put something in there because this girl have great needs down here, you know. Oh yes, I have great needs. See there? I the one chain left. Oh, Jesus. Me not sell this. Laugh at me not sell it. Me not sell no more. I the one. Let me still have my anklet them. Me still have my nice anklet them. See there. Me still have my nice anklet. See there. I still have it. I still have the other one. Still have the other one. Yeah. I still have the other nice little double one. Yeah, so. See there. See there. We still have the double one right there, so. Now sell them there. I not sell no more. I swear to God, I not sell no more. You know, worthwhile selling them because you not really get no money. Not really get no money. So I not sell them. So guys, want to help out a situation. The cash up on the Zelle today. Alright, let me go back to lessons now. Lessons number 1. Right there again. Let me go back to the lessons. Yeah man, let me go back to the lessons, you know. Alright. Files and record. Okay, files and record. Ashanti, for the way how me hear you do such person and put out papers, all sort of fake papers and something, and you sit down there and know say you have papers there under for your backside. What if serve? You shouldn't run gone. You shouldn't run gone, you know, and you have the nerves come on social media, they come open up your dirty nasty stinking mouth. And you have your friends them and your followers them, like you don't want to intimidate somebody and you want to bully people. You can't bully nobody, Janet, and me make you get the house, and trust me, me have your back. Me have your back. Me don't depend you like a white pan rice, you go tired of me. Yes, but me no want nothing. Me no want nothing at all. Me just want to say you're alright and you're not going to sell your house. Don't sell it. Because you they spend so much money if you do Airbnb. So, what date is today's date? What date is today's date? I'm in the circuit court of... Let me read what it's on the paper. In the Circuit County Court of the 13th Judicial Circuit in and for Hillsborough County, Florida. At least you don't know that they part there. All of this judicial, this and that. Then simply tell us say they're in a circuit court. That's it. Don't have the big courthouse. That's all. That's all there. Case number. Okay, you don't want the case number? Because no fan no want to go Google nothing, you know. Me will show you it too. No for you do not want to go Google anything. But you don't want to forget the story. You don't want to Google nothing. So, into the circuit court, you have, sorry Natalie, me have to call your name. Really like you. I have nothing to do with you but your name, the file.